Hmm. Oh. Hmm. That's not really true. No, not like that. We're getting it in. Video ID. So what video is this? Videos error. Yeah, maybe we'll have this one. let's say stop. Got video success. With data, but it does not say, is it this one that doesn't say? Let's do like this. Hello Kasper. What happened? Neil? $200, okay. So it is probably this one is successful, right? And we say you got videos success. It's probably this one. So it's this one that fails then. Ah, thank you. It's Korean something. Pretty good. What's up? So it's probably this one that fails. So let's do data. Something like that. And let's wait for it. We want to see this log. We should have an error message here somehow. Okay, we got lots of stuff. Let's see. No. So that's what we got. This say items. Okay, fine. So let's go remove everything but items. And then we go to live streaming details. Concurrent viewers is missing. Why is that? It is this one. Is it because no one is watching? Now I'm watching at least. Let's run it again soon. Now it says 1. Okay, so it's empty. Interesting. So I guess we make this one optional. I wonder if it's possible to set it to 0 by default. No, probably shouldn't do it. Let's just make it 0 like that. Do you think Moblin doing too much? We try to keep it as simple as possible, I guess. But we won't just stop adding stuff. We'll just try to make it easy enough to use. I'm sure the UI can be improved to make it easier somehow. Yeah, but this is a bug fix at least. This is trying to fix YouTube number of viewers. But we recently improved the scoreboard a bit, or made lots of changes to it. Do you think it's too many features? No. Yes. 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 Split. Yes. No. The biggest news on today's streams are these fidget clickers. This is like the initial design, but it's this green part here, it's too high. So it will be something like this when it's not pressed, and then you press it down from there. But I might actually, these are 3D printed, so I might actually 3D print maybe 20 of these and bring it to TwitchCon EU in June or whenever it is, and hand out. This one have a hole here, so you could use it as like in a keychain, but I think I will remove this hole because it's not really useful, I think. I think it's better to just, or maybe not. I'm not sure. Should we keep the hole or not? There is like a small hole there. I like more features, but understand that being streamlined is good, yeah. I think we're doing a decent job in adding new stuff and not making everything harder to use. Mainly because people don't even notice the new stuff, and I guess that is testament to that it's not breaking their normal workflow, at least. Would you like one of these clickers? I think it's called fidget clicker. So this is what it looks like. It's like it's broken, but there is like a cross where you attach this clicking mechanism, like this one. So that's cool. Daryl Le something. Is that French or it looks a bit French, but I'm not sure for sure. Daryl Le. I will not even try to pronounce it in French because it will just make it worse. Hello, Taikan. Roux. Daryl Leroux. I would probably have said something like rouge or something, but it's just roux, something like that. South African, oh cool. Do you live in South Africa, or I guess you do. It's just born and raised in South Africa, but somehow got a French name. Have you seen Epic Voyages? Fisherman from the UK on a boat? No, I have not. But I know that IRL. No, what is it? What is his name? SD something SD. SD something. He's from. I think he's from Chicago, and he's also using it on a boat. But it's like a small boat with one seat. And just doing some fishing. Born and bred, yeah. French was settlers in the 15th. Ah, okay, nice. I know one guy from South Africa. I don't know him, but he and I think his wife are streamers, and he helped out implementing the. It's actually he that implemented the fast IRL adaptive bitrate algorithm, RIC9K. That's about all I know about South Africa. But I have said to myself that when I go on vacation, preferably I will travel like north and south, not west, east, west, because I've had it, like jet lag is just too irritating. So I figured, okay, let's just travel north and south a few vacations now. And I'm living in Sweden, so I guess South Africa is roughly south. So I might go there sometime. I'm not really sure, but I have friends that has been in South Africa. Safaris and stuff. Yeah, it should be just fine. And I guess it depends on if it's summertime or not. Right now it's 1:30 p.m. here. A commercial fisherman. Yeah, that's cool. Are you watching the fishing stream? Is it like he has a huge boat then? He's not really using what is it called? Like by hand. It's more like big, I don't know what's called, big nets of some sort. 2:30 now, summer, 33 degrees, yeah. Here it's like -3 Celsius. I kind of prefer -3, I think. At least, I mean, I don't have air conditioning. So if it is 33 degrees and it gets just super hot indoors, so you can barely sleep if you don't like have a fan or buy some kind of air conditioning. -3, you can just put, yeah, if it gets a bit colder, you can just put some clothes on, it's better. -8, -10, yeah. I think the biggest problem with winter in Sweden is it gets too dark. I mean, now it's like February, now it's and it's not too cloudy, so the sun is shining, and now it looks really nice outside. But if you are here in like New Year's Eve, yeah, New Year, then it's like, yeah, the sun just rises and then it's gone and it's just dark all day, all night. And that's really, yeah, that tears you apart. But the cold in itself is good. I think it's mainly the light that is the problem. Like, no light, yeah, you cannot deal with it. If you travel for a longer time, you can deal with jet lag. Yeah, it's crazy. But I was in TwitchCon and in US on the West Coast. We were around on the West Coast for like 2 weeks, I think. But I mean, you get used to it. But I still prefer not have to do it, like the jet lag. So I will probably, the goal is to just travel north and south for yeah, I don't know for how long, but that is the current plan. I think it's a good plan. Taiken, did you see the fidget clicker? I will likely 3D print like 20 of these and bring to TwitchCon. And I might remove this hole here. There's like a small hole for some kind of keychain, but I think it's better to just remove it. Can you have a 3D printer, right? Can you print with multiple colors? Current political situation, yeah, for sure. I'm never going to the US right now. And not to Russia, of course. I could go to Greenland. That should be fun. Maybe Taiken left. Let's just commit this. And let's say we actually allow it not to have a value, and then we just say 0. I think that's fine. I think it's better. So let's actually run it once more. Hopefully it will say unknown and then it will say 0. And maybe it should say unknown. I'm not sure if we cannot. I think it's fine like this, is it? Maybe not actually, I'm not sure. Okay, it doesn't show here, so let's just skip it. What happens if, yeah, we have this offline. Maybe we should do like this actually. No, we should not. How do I know if we are live? List videos, maybe that one. Yeah, I will test this a bit more later on. But my guess is that it's good to change this one to be able to decode it. And hopefully that means 0. I'm not sure it means if you are live or not. Maybe it should say, I mean, we were live and it said it was unknown status. So what does this list look like? We list the video. I'm not sure. What is situation with YouTube API calls numbers? You mean the limits that they allow, or they allow like 10k requests a day by default per like application, and you can request more and you can probably pay them to get more. But right now the problem is that they have to like review and approve privacy policies and all of that kind of stuff, and they are quite picky, and they will do it annually, and they try to do it in a good way, I guess. I guess it's good that they do it, but it's it's quite a lot of irritation. But I wonder, what does it mean? We want to know if we are live. And when do we know that we are live? That is the question. How do we know that? Wait, I actually in the, what is that called? We have some, where is that? Some kind of YouTube view. Is it this one maybe? Live, get YouTube API, list live broadcasts, status active. That is probably what we should do. So right now it says we are live if the current viewers if we get that field back from the API, which is a bit odd because we are actually live even if that field is missing. So that is not great. List live broadcasts. So this one probably, it might contain the streaming details. Maybe we should have a look at this videos. Let's see. Let's have a look in the YouTube list live broadcast. No, what was it? List videos. So that is not in this API, right? No, not that. YouTube videos list was there as well. Response, items. So here somewhere was the concurrent viewers. Active live chat ID. Maybe we can use that. Is a currently live broadcast that has live chat. A currently live broadcast. That sounds good. Let's try that. So the goal is basically to to show status information with if you're live, offline, unknown, and if you're live, how many viewers. And I think it says string. This one is actually a string. It's not. If you don't have a chat, I guess it means you're not live, but people want to chat, right? Or can I check? Actually started. Yeah, maybe this is even better. We have actual start time. Let's take this actual start time instead. Date time, but I think it is a string most likely. Yeah, it is. So let's try that. And let's go back to, let's see, here. So let's see, response, we take an item. Maybe just item dot, this maybe should be video. Let's say video dot if that card that one is not nil. So if we got those two, let's see. We did that. If let viewers. Maybe it's fine to say, I think it's fine to say 0 actually. We can just do viewers. Oh yeah, it's an integer, we're converting it there as well. Let's just say 0. So what about now? Maybe we can have it like that. We get the, maybe we should. Let's do it like that. We get the first video. If the actual start time is not nil, it means the video is live. Or do we have to compare that end does not exist as well? Can't it just say you're live? Maybe we need both. Let's take both. Let's say this one happened, this one didn't happen. Start, end. video dot and that should be nil. And actually this one should probably say unknown if this one cannot be done. I think we say that. If we have that, we probably want to say unknown on there as well, right? We get the response. We got the video. I think that's good, and I think we want to do it like this. So we get that. If maybe we can do, let's do something like this. Funk is live. Return start time is not nil and is nil. If live, get the number of viewers, say it whether we're live, otherwise we say offline. I'm sure this is not bulletproof logic, but it's probably better than before. Let's just do this again. Let's set that. And let's just get video. Let's just here do, let's just log the status. Just do it like that and run it. So hopefully this one says unknown. Yeah, hopefully it says unknown and live because I am live on YouTube, so it should say unknown or live. We have to wait a few seconds. Live viewers 0. So let me just let's just start watching it. So now I am watching it. And it will update in maybe 30 seconds or so. So yeah, now it says 1, so that's good. And if I stop watching, it will probably still say live, but it should, yeah, it might say 0. It updates, I think it's like, this was 30 seconds. I think next time is like 1 minute in between. So you have to wait for that. still says 1, but maybe that's because someone else is watching. So let's say it works. So we read more values, we make that optional because it can be missing. This is wrong. No, yes, quit. And we change this logic slightly. Sounds good. Let's do some machine translations. Auto start, auto stop. No idea how much it will translate, but some. Let's close this. It was one of those. So I can show you what the YouTube stream manager looks like. I've shown it before, but I can show it again. I made some slight improvements. Let's just have a look at the Swedish here. Auto start. That's good. Sounds good. So let's run it. So let's have a quick look at the YouTube stream manager. So let's see. Manage. Yes, it shows auto start and auto stop here. And I think if I change this to Swedish, I think you go to. Can't find it like that, right? Privacy maybe. Maybe not. Maybe language. Here it is. So if we select Swedish and run again, then it will probably show it in Swedish. Auto start, auto stop. It still say public. Maybe I don't translate that. Maybe that's what we get from YouTube. Let's have a look at that. YouTube view. Visibility. I think it's called something else. Auto stop, auto start. You just take privacy status as the string. Yeah. Maybe we should map those. Function to string. Switch. Privacy status. Case. And let's have a look here. What kind of values can it take? Live broadcast status. Broadcast. List. Response. Privacy. Private, public, unlisted. Public. Private, public, unlisted. Let's just return it by default. Wait, this was actually in the wrong place, right? You should rename this, it should not be like that. Let's just do it like this. Visibility. Maybe we even have an enumeration for that we could use. We could probably use this one. Maybe we should just use this one. No. Let's just use that one in here, I think. It's probably possible to do something like this. Should we just say something? Let's start by let's try something like that. Something like that. I'm sure you guys follow along perfectly fine. I know it's like impossible to do it. If you're not in control of the computer, it's really hard to just understand what's happening. But let's try that. And let's say we could do something like that. So let's just run it and see if it shows up at public, and in Swedish it should say publik. So let's see, does it say public? It says public, so that's good. So let's first of all just add no, fuck. I shouldn't have done -a there. No. So I should probably just git reset like that. And that, and that, and that, and that. No. Fuck. So now we just have the visibility, so it should show in the correct language. Looks good. Let's just run this other tool as well to get some, find out if we have some dead code. And let's move this one back to system. Let's close it. And let's find some song. Okay. What about this? This is not related to what we did right now, but it looks like I forgot about all of this. So we start at 180. So that one is not needed anymore. Let's just continue for all of these. So we have 22, 21. Both those are gone. 4, 5. Gone. And then in this one, 21, 22. And then it will likely not compile because we have removed these, I guess. That one got removed. And a few more. Should be more issues, yeah. Was it 1 and 2? I think. And 2. And probably same there. Success. Let's run the styling. Just removed. And now this one is probably happy. Just have to wait for it. Let's move here for some time. Okay. Is it oh, it's more. Oh, it's probably like, how to say it? Följd fel. 162. Might be that we have to do this in a few times. Let's get this one. And we had 46, 45. And this one is 104. Oh no, that is too early. Let's just abort that and build in here because it will not compile. Probably this one as well. Okay, successful. Could be more, let's see. Okay, let's see. Oh, it looks good. And that was mainly these, yeah. So let's do just amend. Let's push it. And let's publish it. So what happened here? Do we have to write something in the change log? Maybe this one. I want to create a new App Store release, but I also want to wait for Google to hopefully approve that authentication method. But I'm not sure I will wait for it. It's just it takes too long. $125,000 lines of code, but some of it is not. I guess most is written by me, but not everything. Not everything in here, but kind of most of it. It's not, yeah, it is, it's not that much either way. $600 files. It's building. Is it ready? So I wonder what's next. Does anyone have a suggestion for what's next? If anything, if there is nothing next, I guess I have to figure something out. Show your to-do. I don't think there is much in the to-do list. I don't think I'll do this. Twitch channel points, probably delaying. I think I'll just end for today and go shopping. I need to buy some food and stuff like that, so I better go buy some of that. See you.